Hi, I'm K-Rothschild, kindergarten teacher at Friendship Valley Elementary. Today I'm going to show you how we solve addition problems in kindergarten using pictures, equations, and models. So with our first equation here, with our first problem, I'm going to draw a picture first and then write an equation to solve. So I'm going to read the problem. Brandon has 6 red pencils and 2 blue pencils. How many pencils does he have in all? So when we talk about addition problems with our kids, we want them to understand that adding just means taking one thing and adding it to another, putting together to make a whole group. So I'm going to get out my red and my blue because in our question it says 6 red and 2 blue. So I think it's important to use those colors so kids can understand. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw a picture. And I'm not going to draw pencils. I'm going to draw circles because kids, we don't want them to get caught up in drawing fancy pictures. Everybody can draw circles, so that's what we're going to do. So 6 red. I'm going to go ahead and just draw 6. And I'm going to count as I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are my 6 red pencils. 2 blue pencils. I'm going to draw 2 more in blue. 1, 2. My 6 red and my 2 blue, and now we just have to count them and add them and see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to write that down so I don't forget it. My answer is 8. He has 8 pencils altogether. The next part is the equation, and I'm going to give a frame because kindergarten kids are just starting out and it's important they be able to see where the numbers go and why. So blank plus blank equals blank. So our plus sign just means putting together. So my first number is 6. I drew 6 red, so my 6 goes right here first. 6 plus 2 equals, what was my answer? 8. I think I'm going to go back and count it again because it's important that kids make sure that they're recounting to check for accuracy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He has 8 pencils altogether. That's where our answer goes. And then we read it to make sure it makes sense. 6 plus 2 equals 8. So for our next problem, I'm going to solve it using a model. And this is our tens frame. And then I'm also going to write my equation. So I'm going to read the problem. There are 3 children in line to ride the roller coaster. 4 more children get in line. How many children are in line now? So I'm going to use my magnets. And I know that there are 3 children in line, so I'm going to put up 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 more children get in line. So what I'm going to do is put up 4 more, but I'm going to turn them to yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. This way, kids can see clearly that there are 3 at first, and like the question says, 4 more get in line. Now we're going to count them and see how many there are all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now eventually kids can get to the point where they'll be able to see 5 and 2 more make 7, or in this case it's 3 and 4 to make 7. But our answer is 7, and again I'm going to write that so I don't forget. 7. There are 7 kids in line. So next to my equation, we have 3, and then we are having 4 more join them, so 3 and 4 equals 7 altogether. 3 kids, 4 more get in line, that makes 7. We want kids to understand that these 2 things, when put together, equals our answer. So this is how we solve problems in kindergarten, addition problems, using a picture and a model and writing an equation. I hope you find these strategies helpful when supporting your child at home. Thank you for watching.